You're 10?
Yes.
Yeah, you're the perfect age. Taha, when I say the Prophet Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam, what's his name?
Prophet Muhammad.
Well, yeah. MashaAllah. Yeah, how old was he?
I think he was 68.
Okay. This is the problem. This is a problem you created. And you. Because that's the exact opposite of the answer a child should give. Ta, where's your father? Yeah. Yeah. How old are you? Okay. Prophet ﷺ was younger than your daddy. Younger than your daddy. And your daddy is a pretty young man, mashallah. Look at your father. ये हमें बताया गया, ये archetype, we've been set. Abu Bakr Siddiq, old man. Ali bin Abi Talib, old man. Umar Khattab, old man. No. Can you stand up for just 1 minute, sir? This is the archetype of Umar bin Khattab. This is the mistake we make. That's why these little kids can't relate to our Sahabis. This is Umar bin Khattab. He could be older than Umar bin Khattab, and Umar bin Khattab became Umar bin Khattab. That's why our kids are not relating to Islam. I am older than Prophet ﷺ's age when he conquered Medina. You need to understand. हमने जान के ये बुजुर्गाना इंप्रेशन पता किसने दिया? हमारे बुजुर्गों ने, ताकि जस्टिफाई कर सकें कि yeah, I am at the age of wisdom and everything. This man, young man, represents the perfect archetype of a Sahabi's age when they were traveling from Makkah to Medina. And all of Makkah was terrorized. कि इनको नहीं रोक सकते. We need to create that youth, the real impression, the true impression of a Sahabi. How old are you, sir?
28.
You're 7 years older than Ali bin Abi Talib when Ali bin Abi Talib went for Badr. Imagine that. Who's 20? So all of us are older than Ali bin Abi Talib when Ali bin Abi Talib. How old are you, sir? Really? You look like 16. Yeah. So, a 19-year-old boy conquered Badr. Imagine, this is a waste. This is why our kids think Islam is boring, because Islam is an old man's lifestyle. Post-retirement lifestyle is Islam. Post-retirement, that's Islam? Yeah, फजर पढ़नी है, कुर्सी लेके जा रहा हूँ, कुर्सी रखी, तस्बीह हाथ में हर वक्त. This is Islam from them, I swear. That's how we present Islam to them. I at my age wouldn't even go to that lifestyle. Like this is against the very ego that I have. कि मैंने कुछ करना है दुनिया में भाई. Islam is a late age, post midlife crisis lifestyle. No. Islam is this boy's lifestyle when he's gonna take over Nottingham through his credibility, competence, choice of profession. Islam is an actual career that you better take up. She better take up Islam as a career.